Hello students, today I am going to cover some of the topics of the chapter Work and Energy. So those topics are Introduction of Work, Definition of Work and Types of Work. So first I am going to start with the introductory part of the work. So when a force acts upon an object, it causes displacement of the object. It is said that work is done by the object. जब भी किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई होता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फोर्स बॉडी डिस्प्लेस होती है, देन वी विल से दैट वर्क इज डन बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट. So there are two conditions which are need to be satisfied for work to be done. So those two conditions are a force should act on the object and the object must be displaced. कि force object के ऊपर लगना चाहिए and object अपनी position से displace होना चाहिए. And if either of these conditions does not satisfy, we say that work done is zero. So on the basis of this, we can define work as when a force act on an object and the object is displaced in the direction of force, then we will say that work is done by the body. Or work done on an object is the product of the force applied and the displacement, which can be represented as W is equals to F into S. So W representing work done, F is the force and S is the displacement. And mathematically work can also be expressed as W is equals to Fs cos theta, where theta is representing angle. And the unit of work is joule. It's a scalar quantity. And if we have to define 1 joule of work, then how can we define that the 1 joule is the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton displaces an object by 1 meter. जब 1 Newton का force किसी भी object को 1 meter तक displace करता है, then it is equivalent to the 1 joule of work. There are different types of work. First, positive, negative and zero work done. So first I am going to start with the positive work. So the work done by a force is positive if the force and displacement are in the same direction. When the force and displacement both are in the same direction, then the work done by the body is considered as a positive work done. You can see in the second diagram where force and displacement are in the same directions. Or mathematically it can be also represented as W is equals to Fs cos theta. Now see the first diagram here. W is equals to Fs cos theta. तो theta is representing angle here और यहाँ पे theta जो है that is the 0 degree because there is no formation of angle here. तो 0 degree हो गया and cos 0 degree की value होती है +1. Now we will put the value of cos 0 degree. We will get W is equals to Fs +1. Then the work done will be positive. Second is the negative work done. So the work done by a force is negative if the force and the displacement are in opposite direction. जब force and displacement दोनों opposite direction में हो, then we will say that work done by the body is negative. You can see in this diagram force and displacement both are in the opposite directions, and mathematically it can be represented as Fs cos theta. Now see the first diagram here. यहाँ पे थीटा का एंगल जो है दैट इज इक्वलेंट टू द 180 डिग्री बिकॉज फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट दोनों अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में दैट एंगल विल बी इक्वलेंट टू द 180 डिग्री. नाउ कॉस 180 डिग्री की वैल्यू होती है दैट इज -1 एंड आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू वी विल गेट द आंसर इन विथ नेगेटिव साइन विच शोज दैट द वर्क डन विल बी नेगेटिव. Next is zero work done. The work done by a force is zero if there is no displacement. जब बॉडी में कोई डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं होता है then we will say that work done by the body is zero. So and mathematically कैसे प्रूव करेंगे that W is equals to Fs cos theta. Now see the first diagram. First diagram it shows that theta की एंगल 90 डिग्री का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है and cos 90 डिग्री is equals to the 0 and the total work done will be 0. Then we will say that no work is done by the body. Next, there are some examples related to these positive, negative and zero work done. First, a child pulls a toy car with a string horizontally on the ground. Then we will say that work done by the body is positive. Second, if a ball is thrown in upward direction and its displacement would be in upward direction but the force due to the earth gravity in the downward direction, मीन्स बॉल का डिस्प्लेसमेंट तो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में हुआ लेकिन जो फोर्स अप्लाइड हुआ वो डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटी. then the work done will be negative work done. Third one, the moon moves around the earth in a circular path. So here force of gravitation acts on the moon at right angle to the direction of motion of the moon. जो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन है वो परपेंडिकुलर लग रहा है, सो द वर्क डन इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी जीरो हियर. सो यहाँ पे जो वर्क डन हुआ दैट विल बी द जीरो वर्क डन. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.